Want to learn how to track social media campaigns in Monday.com and use it like a pro? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through how to do just that, so stick around for the full breakdown and some surprising alternatives that can make tracking even easier. You don't want to miss it. First up, Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that helps you manage projects, track tasks, and collaborate with teams. It's customizable, which means you can tailor it to fit your social media campaign tracking needs. But is it the best fit? Let's see. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your board for social media campaigns. You can either start with a blank slate or use one of their templates. There are several specifically designed for marketing. This board is where you'll track every stage of your campaign, from content creation to scheduling and performance tracking. Next thing, let's talk about creating your columns. This is where Monday.com really shines. You can add a variety of column types such as status columns to track progress, date columns to keep track of your campaign schedule, and people columns to assign tasks to team members. It's a visual setup, so you can easily see where each piece of content is in your workflow. Now, you'll want to integrate your social media platforms with Monday.com. The good news is that it has native integrations with some popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These integrations allow you to pull in data about your campaigns like likes, shares, and engagement metrics directly into your Monday.com board, so you're not manually tracking those. The fourth thing to consider, automations. Monday.com has a ton of automation options, which can save you a lot of time. You can set up notifications to alert your team when something's been posted or when a campaign hits a certain stage. You can also automate status changes, which makes keeping things up to date effortless. Next up, you need to monitor and analyze your campaign data. Monday.com gives you visualizations like graphs and charts, making it easier to track your campaign performance in real time. But the catch here is that while it's handy for basic tracking, deeper analytics might require you to bring in additional tools or work with integrations, as Monday.com doesn't provide the most advanced reporting features for social media campaigns out of the box. The last thing, collaboration. Monday.com is great for teams because it allows easy collaboration with comments, file attachments, and real-time updates. You can have your team discuss a post, share feedback, and even track revisions in the same space. It makes communication seamless, but again, if you have a larger team, it can feel overwhelming to manage all the different conversations. While Monday.com is a solid tool, there are alternatives that might suit your needs even better. If you're really focused on social media campaign tracking, you might want to look into software that specializes in social media analytics or management, like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which provide in-depth reporting features built specifically for this type of work. Now, if you're curious about trying Monday.com out for yourself, there's good news. We've partnered with Monday.com to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial that you can access through the link in the description below. But remember, we also mentioned some alternatives that might be even better suited for your needs when it comes to tracking social media campaigns, and those offer free trials as well. Check out the link to get the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.